Hello everyone! Look at this versatile mounted vest I've got here. It's going to go on our backs, behind the rear of the car, and then it can also be hung on top of our gas tanks. Next, we'll demonstrate the rear of the car. Attaching the straps to the frame. It is possible to make a few extra wraps. The strap goes through the back of the metal buckle. Wrap the two straps around the rear of the car. Passing through the metal buckle. Left and right sides. It is possible to install our 8 to 10 liter bar packs. Let me show you how to install. It's also possible to install a travel bag like ours. I'll show you how to install it. This rear vest can be combined with our U-shaped gas tank vest. For use with our U-shaped gas tank vests, I'll show you the installation. It is possible to install our 6 to 8 liter bar packs with our 8 to 10 liter bar packs.